A lot of you already know about the word la'u and lo'u, which means my. But do you know how to say ours, you all's, or theirs? We're going to use this chart to figure it out. To do this, we're going to combine a pronoun with a possessive prefix from the middle columns. If we want to say theirs for 3 or more people, we know that we're going to use the pronoun la'to. Next, is it a singular thing or is it more than one thing? Let's say it's their singular house. The L in Samoan is going to signify a single thing, just like in the word la'u. A house is an O-class possession, so we bring down the O. A singular house of theirs is lo lato fale. Now, if they have one car, we know that a car is an A-class thing, so it's la lato ta'avale. If we want to say their multiple cars, then we just drop the L. A lato ta'avale. Their multiple houses, o lato fale. If you want to say our instead of their, just change the pronoun. The other principles still remain the same. Just don't change the word itself. Our singular house, L for singular, O for O-class, tato, lo tato fale. Our multiple houses, no L, O for O-class, tato fale. O tato fale or our houses.